360 Robot Vacuum Cleaner S9. The flagship robot vacuum cleaner. Large 5200 mAh battery. Lasts for up to 3 hours. Superior cleaning performance. Quickly and easily tackles dirt, dust, and particles on the floor. Intelligent water tank allows up to 100 minutes of mopping. Water seeps out slowly and evenly on the mopping pad, leaves no water stains on your floor. RF omnidirectional remote control. Easier to use and control. LDS lidar, SLAM algorithm, and 25 sensors. More accurate, efficient, and effective cleaning performance like never before. Thanks to the app's intelligent room mapping, users can customize cleaning, especially for living rooms, bedrooms, corridors, bathrooms, etc., by naming each room. Intelligent design enables the vacuum cleaner to negotiate obstacles easily. Convenient schedule cleaning. The self-adjusted main brush allows the vacuum to handle uneven surfaces with more flexibility, identifies carpets, and automatically increases suction power. Dual noise reduction duct keeps noise to a minimum. 360 Robot Vacuum Cleaner S9 creates a better home.